Next is specification 4, which requires us to describe the structure of a villus and explain the functions of capillaries and lacteals. A villus is a tiny, finger-like projection that lines the small intestine. Each villus is made up of many cells, and on the surface of those cells are even smaller structures called microvilli. Together, the villi and microvilli create a very large surface area, which allows nutrients from digested food to be absorbed quickly and efficiently. The wall of a villus is only 1 cell thick, which makes it easy for nutrients to pass through, either by diffusion or by active transport. Inside each villus, there is a rich network of blood capillaries. These capillaries are responsible for absorbing glucose and amino acids from the digested food. Once absorbed, these nutrients enter the bloodstream and are carried throughout the body, where they can be used for energy and growth. Running through the center of the villus is another important structure called the lacteal, which is a small lymphatic vessel. The lacteal absorbs fatty acids and glycerol from the digested food. These substances are then transported through the lymphatic system, rather than directly into the bloodstream, and eventually join the circulation to be used by the body. So overall, the villus is specially adapted to maximize nutrient absorption, with capillaries handling sugars and amino acids, and the lacteal handling fats.